Rehabilitation work on Zindan Dara road begins in Sufyan village of Samangan city. Based on the instructions of the Director General of the Disaster Preparedness Authority, Honorable Haji Mullah Nuruddin Turabi, the Samangan Provincial Directorate of Disaster Preparedness has started the rehabilitation work of the Zindan Dara road in Sufyan village, Samangan city, the center of Samangan province. The road was severely damaged and destroyed due to recent floods, creating serious transportation difficulties for local residents. To address these challenges and to provide better transportation facilities, the rehabilitation work of this road has been urgently started. The project covers a 2-kilometer long road with a width of 8 meters. Its goal is to ensure safer transportation, improve connectivity routes, and reduce the difficulties faced by local communities. Once completed, hundreds of families will benefit from this road, and significant improvements will be made in their daily travel. Meanwhile, the head of Samangan Provincial Directorate of Disaster Preparedness, Haji Maulavi Ihsanullah Ihsan, along with engineers from the provincial administration, visited the project's site to review the implementation process. He emphasized the importance of completing the project in standard, high quality, and a timely manner. He added that the Samangan Provincial Directorate of Disaster Preparedness will always stand with the people and will spare no efforts in addressing problems caused by natural disasters and reducing their impacts.
خوشحال هستیم که امروز رئیس صاحب حوادث با جمله کارمندایشان در قریه صوفیا آمده. دیگه اینمی سیلاب ایرای کوتل کویبت ما را خراب کرده بود. کشت و زراعت مردم مانع شده بود، مردم بسیار به داد رسیده بود. خدا خیر بده آجی صاحب رئیس صاحب حوادث که یک مراتب دو مراتب گفتیم اینمی تو یک کار مردانگی را کرد که امروز عملا اسکواتور آمد این قومای صوفیا را میاد جمع شده در اینکه راه یک تنها مسجد صوفیا نیست، راه 14 شورای همبستگی است.